Students, today we will start a new chapter for class 12 mathematics, which is called matrices. Now this chapter contains for class 12 which topics. These are matrix and operations on matrices and operation on matrices, transpose of a matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, q symmetric matrix, inverse of a matrix by elementary operations. To find out, actually it is the finding out inverse of a matrix by elementary operations. That is, the chapter is matrices. The topics for class 12 are matrix and operation on matrices, transpose of a matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, inverse of a matrix by elementary operations. At first, what is matrix? What is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular array. A matrix is a rectangular array of elements. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of elements. Such an array is enclosed by this type of symbols. The numbers may be real or complex, or functions are called the elements on the entries of the matrix. A matrix is represented by a single capital letter like that, A, B, X, Y, Z, etc. And elements of a matrix are represented by the small letters like A, B, C, etc. So we can write the form of a matrix in that way: A11, A12, A1n, A21, A22, A2in, A31, A32, A3n, and in this way we will get AM1, AM2, AMN. Matrix is denoted by capital letter A. The elements are denoted by small letters A11, A12, A1n, A21. In this way, AM1, and the order the order of the matrix is written in this way: M cross N or M by N, where M is the number of rows of the matrix and N is the number of columns of the matrix. You see, these are our columns of the matrix. And these are our rows of the matrix. The horizontal lines denotes the ray of the matrix, and the perpendicular lines are the columns of the matrix. So this is the fundamental definition of the matrix. Now, what is the order of the matrix? The order of the matrix is calculated as calculated by M cross N. Suppose a matrix has M rows. Suppose this matrix also has M rows and N columns. This matrix has N columns. This matrix has M columns. Then the order of the matrix is written as M cross N, where M represents number of rows and N represents number of columns, and read as M by N or M cross N matrix. In general, M by N matrix has the following rectangular arrays. You have seen that. Now, if we if we want to give the notation of the matrix, then we can write it as this: A equal to Aij m by n, where 1 less equal to I less equal to m and 1 less equal to j less equal to n. This is the definition of the matrix. Now we will see a very small example corresponding to find the matrix, to find the order of a matrix. Find the order of a matrix and the elements of the matrix. You are given that. So at first we make some other discussions on matrix, like that. Types of matrices. Types of matrices. Types of matrices. What are the types of matrices? At first, raw matrix. At first, our types of matrices. Raw matrix. Raw matrix. Raw matrix, if a matrix has only one row, suppose 1, 2, 3, this is an row matrix. Here number of row is 1 and the number of column 1, 2, 3, that is 3. Therefore it is an raw matrix. And symbolically we write this at Aij 1 less equal to n, where n is number of columns. This is our row matrix. Now column matrix. What is our column matrix? Column matrix means the matrix which has only one column, that is 1, 2, 3, and we will write this as 3 into 1 and A equal to Aij 3 into 1. This is our column matrix. Notationally I will write this as a m into 1, m into 1. This is our column matrix. Now zero or null matrix. Zero or null matrix. Zero matrix. If all the elements of a matrix are zero, then it is called a zero or null matrix. It is denoted by letter O. If all the elements, it is denoted by letter O. That is, if there is a matrix in this way, all the elements are zero, then it is called a zero matrix. Where number of rows is 2, that is, in the place of row we write it is as 2, and in the place of column it is write as 3, and it is a zero matrix. Notationally we will write this at A equal to Aij equal to 0 for all I j. Now our square matrix. Now square matrix. Square matrix. A matrix in which number of rows and number of columns is equal, it is called a square matrix. The matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are equal, then it is called a scalar matrix. Suppose there is a matrix A equal to A, B, C, D. 2 cross 2, that is order is 2 cross 2. Here number of rows 2 and number of columns is also 2, and symbolically we can write this as A equal to Aij, where m cross n, or A equal to Aij, where n cross n. Symbolically We can write this in this way. Here you see number of rows and number of columns are equal. Now our diagonal matrix. Now our diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix A equal to Aij m by m is said to be a diagonal matrix if all the elements lying outside the diagonal elements are 0. If we have a matrix like that, A equal to A0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C 0 0 C, here you see this is in diagonal and all the elements outside the diagonal are 0. This type of matrix is called a diagonal matrix. Without the diagonal elements, all the elements of the matrix are 0, then it is called an diagonal elements. And symbolically we write this as A equal to diagonal A, B, C in this way. A diagonal matrix of order m by n having A11, A22, Amn as diagonal elements is denoted by diagonal A12, A in this way. That is, if we have a matrix like that, if we have like that, that is 0 0 0 0 A22 0 0 0, suppose this is again 0 0 A33 0, in this way we will go. Here suppose an element is our ARR 0, and lastly we get AMM. Then this matrix is called, here you see it is my diagonal elements and all the elements outside these are 0, and symbolically we write this in this way, in the third bracket, sorry, A22 AMM. This is our diagonal matrix. Now what is scalar matrix? Till we have find row matrix, column matrix, zero matrix, diagonal matrix and square matrix. Now scalar matrix. In other words, the square matrix Aij m cross m is said to be scalar if Aij equal to 0 for I is not equal to 0, constant k for I equal to j. Example, A equal to 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 and 0 0 2 3 cross 3 etc. in this way. That is, if we have a matrix in this way, A equal to, we have a matrix, I am changing my pen, sorry students. If A equal to 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2 3 cross 3, then it is a scalar matrix. Here Aij equal to 2 when I equal to j and Aij equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. When I is not equal to j, that is row and column is not equal, then it is 0, and when row and column is equal, then it is then Aij equal to 2. It is an example. Here 2 may be any number. It will be a constant number. Now unit or identity matrix. Unit or identity matrix. Unit or identity matrix. Unit or identity matrix is what? A square matrix in which all diagonal elements are 1 and rest are 0 is called an identity matrix. In other words, a square matrix A equal to Aij n by n is an identity matrix if Aij equal to 1 for I equal to j, 0 for I is not equal to j. That is a matrix A equal to 1 0 0 1 0 1 2 cross 2. That is the elements only in the diagonal will be 1 and other elements will be 0. Then it is called an unit or identity matrix. It may be like that 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. It is the order of this matrix is 3 by 3, and these are called unit or identity matrix. That is the diagonal elements will be 1 and rest animals all the rest animals will be 0. Then this is our unit or identity matrix. Now we will discuss some 2 or 3 simple examples from whatever we have discussed till now. Suppose find the values of, there is an example which is asked in this way, find the values of, find the values of A, B, C when A3 2C equal to 1B 2. Here solution, here you have given that both the matrices are equal. Then we can write from this from the definition of that matrix, that is A equal to 1. Here is our A and here is our 1. Therefore A equal to 1, B equal to 3, C equal to D, corresponding this. These are the simple, these are the values of A, B, C. Now if you have given the equations, then you have to solve out the equations also. Suppose another example you have given. Another example, suppose this is our example. If x minus y, 2x plus z, 2x minus y, 3z plus w equal to minus 1 5 0 13. Then find x comma y comma z and w. Then find x comma y comma z and w. Now we can form some equations from this way. That is x minus y equal to minus 1, 2x plus z equal to 5, 2x minus y equal to 0, and 3z plus w equal to 13. It is our equation number 1, it is our equation number 2, and it is 3, it is 4. Dear students, I hope that you can solve these equations very easily. If I take 1 and 3, you see here the variables x, y. Here the variables, then we can find the values of x and y from 1 and 3. So solving 1 and 3, x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Again, put the values of x in 2, then you will get 2 plus z equal to 5 implies z equal to 3, and putting the values of z in 4, we will get 3 into 3 plus w equal to 13. Therefore w equal to 13 minus 9, that is our 4. Therefore x equal to 1, y equal to 2, z equal to 3, and w equal to 4. So dear students, in today's class I have given just you only a simple description of matrices. What is matrix? What is the types of various types of matrices, like that your raw matrix, column matrix, symmetric matrix, scalar matrix, identity matrix, zero matrix, etc., and two simple examples. And in the next class we will solve the 1 mark questions, some 1 mark questions from this day's discussions, which may come in our examination from the NCERT exemplar. So thank you for today's class.